topic of today's video is different, as we are not going to talk about any books, but we will see some apps that are used as a YouTube creator or as a booktuber or as a reader. You might be familiar with some of them or maybe all of them. For those people who are looking for some apps, who have their own YouTube channel or they have a Booktube channel, make sure that you watch this video till the end, as this video is going to be very useful for you. This video is divided into 3 parts. In the first part, we will see apps that are used as a YouTube creator. In the second part, we will see some apps that are used as a booktuber. And the third part will be some bonus tools that might help you to grow as a YouTube creator. So the first app of the first part is YouTube Studio app. This app is an official YouTube app for iOS and Android users, and maybe all the YouTube creators use this app. It helps you to monitor and manage some YouTube analytics and functions on your mobile device. Let's take a look at it. On dashboard, on the top, you can see your subscriber counts with your channel name. With that, you can see latest video performance, views, watch hours, and average view durations. If you see right side in a green circle, that means this video has got about the same as usual views. And if you see a green circle and an arrow that goes off, that means views are more than usual. People are watching this video longer than usual. In the bottom, you can see recent comments on your every video, and you don't need to go to the YouTube app to reply them. You can easily do it from here. Now here on videos, you can see all the videos that you have uploaded, and you can sort by most viewed or most recent videos, and you can filter it by numbers of views. On this playlist section, you can see all the playlists that you have created to make easy for viewers to choose the topic or the subject of your videos and what to expect from the series of videos that you have put in one playlist. The next section is comments. You can see all the comments that you have got from all of your videos in this one page, and you can, as I say earlier, easily reply without moving to YouTube app. Plus you can see who, when, and on which video commented. The next is analytics, the most important thing for all the YouTube creators. Here you can see top videos, real-time views, subscriber counts, and watch hours. On reach, you can see how audience is reaching to your channel or to your videos. You can see impressions, impression click-through rate, traffic source type, and YouTube search term. The next is engagement. You can see here how long viewers are staying on your video. As long as they stay, you get more watch hours, and it sends a good message to YouTube algorithm, and you can get more views, as YouTube will help your video to be reached by more people. In the section of audience, you can get to know about your audience, the age, gender, from where they are watching, in which country they are watching, if they are watching with subtitles. So this app is so much useful for all the YouTube creators. And if you want to see analytics with details, you will have to visit the web page for YouTube Studio. The second app is TubeBuddy. I don't use this app as much as I use YouTube Studio app, but it has some features that YouTube Studio don't have, and that features make me keep using this app. Let's take a look at it. On the top, you can see your subscriber counts, just like YouTube Studio app. You can see views of all the videos that you have uploaded. The next is comment section, where you can just read comments, but you cannot reply on the app. This will take you directly to the YouTube app. Then that is a minus point for TubeBuddy. The next is milestone, which is my favorite. I actually use this app just to use this feature. This feature will set some goals for you. For example, reach 475 subscribers, or get 15,000 views, or upload 50 videos. So these small milestones help you to keep uploading videos. Next is news section, which I don't use, and I don't find it as useful as other. Then there is a tag explorer that helps you to find tags that are trending for the topic that you have chosen for your video. If you are using the free version of TubeBuddy, you will get only 3 tags, and you will have to pay $219 per month. One more is VidIQ, but I don't use on my phone. I just use it on web to just see how my competitors are doing. Many people asked me which app I use to edit my videos. So the next app is iMovies that I use to edit my videos. iMovie is super easy to use, and you can do almost anything you want to do. I won't say in this video how to use each and every tools, as that will take so much time, but tell me if you want to know how I edit my videos. I will try my best to make one video for that. So guys, these were the apps that I use as a YouTube creator. Now let's take a look at the second part, and that is the apps that I use as a booktuber or as a reader. The first app is Spotify. You might be thinking, why Spotify? Then here is the answer. When it comes to the audiobooks for classics, Spotify has tons of free available audiobook for classics that you can listen free. Plus it has music that I use while reading any book. It has soundtracks, so it's the best. The next is Kindle app. Though I don't use Kindle app as I have the Kindle device. It's pretty much the same. First thing, get a Kindle for yourself. It's so useful. Continue. Here is my Kindle device. These all are the books that we can purchase and read. This is my reading list. This is Goodreads accounts. I'm not active on it. This is shop, where we can buy any books directly from here. We can increase the size, change layouts like this. So this is my Kindle device. The next is Instapaper. Instapaper turns web content, articles, stories, posts, videos, and even long emails into a great reading experience. Over the course of your day, you will encounter things you want to save for later. With Instapaper, you simply push a button in your browser or choose Send to Instapaper in a linked mobile app. For example, if you came across this app that you want to read but you do not have time right now, so you can easily send it to Instapaper and you can read whenever you want. In the app, all the articles that you have saved will look like this. While reading them, you can easily highlight any sentence that you want and you can add some notes in it. It's so much easy to use. Use it. You can easily find all the notes and highlights on the sidebar. The next is Goodreads. If you are a reader, I do not need to tell you what the Goodreads is. With a Goodreads account, you can keep track of the books that you have read, the books that you are reading, and the books that you want to read in future time. You can also follow your friends and authors to see what they are reading and what they think about some particular books. You can leave reviews and you can comment on the reviews given by others. But finding your next title through the Goodreads doesn't have to be entirely on you. The site helps users to discover new books, to read through detailed individuals' book listing. I'm not that much active on Goodreads. As a reader and as a booktuber, you should be active on Goodreads. Yes, he's right. The next is Audible, and you know what is Audible, right? The audiobook app allows you to download and listen to audiobooks purchased via audible.com. And you can store multiple titles for play on your mobile device. The next step is Book. Apple Books is only available for iOS users. It has the large collection of classic books to read for free, but for other books you will have to pay per books. Here on Books, like every other app, you can highlight and comment on particular lines or sentences. Here and the second parts. Third part is bonus tools. The first is YouTube Audio Library. It's a collection of musics, background musics, and soundtracks to use on your videos. It's very useful for all the YouTube creators as they won't face any copyright issues. The final tool is Unsplash. This is the collection of photos, HD photos, to use as your thumbnail, or you can use them in your videos and you don't face any copyright issues. So guys, these were the apps that I use as a YouTube creator, booktuber, and as a reader. I hope you will find this video useful, and this topic is also new for me. So if you like this video or if you like my other videos, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel and watch me talking about books and movies. Goodbye.